Um, I guess something Demi Lovato's Heartbreak. I don't know what the song is called. I'm really tired. I have nothing else to do. I can't sleep. In about a couple more hours, the sun will be up, and once the sun is up, I'm gonna be fucking screwed because I'm not gonna be able to sleep. And my friend Marco's coming over, and we're gonna play Xbox and chillax and eat potato chips and do like romance stuff. And we thought, oh, we're watching Shark Week too. Shark Week, I forgot Shark Week. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be tired, and I'm gonna fall asleep, and sleeping. And I guess I go. The day I first met you, you told me you never fall in love. Whenever I get you, I know fear is what it really was. Now here we are, so far. How can we back to tell when will you realize? Baby, I'm not right to rest. Don't want to break your heart. I can say you're I don't really know the rest. I'm not gonna make a mistake. If this no, I don't know. Something about give your heart a break, your heart a break. Let me give your heart a break, your heart a break. Oh yeah. When your lips find my lips, and my heart beats wild. Something about being a chance. Stuff like that. I can't go that high, especially when I'm tired. I can try. Every time I wait. No, I can't go that high. I tried though. What is that? No? I'm actually pretty happy that, like, this will be my 11th video, and I already have 27 people, viewing each and every one. I'm actually so happy. My goal is to get like 100. And I know it's not a lot, but I'm just a beginner. I've never done this before. So I'm proud of myself. And then I've been watching the Internet Icon and other people's stuff, and I'm slowly learning. Maybe one day I'll make skits and stuff like that, but for now I'm just gonna keep vlogging. It's like, you guys are my darling, and I know you guys don't have to listen, but whoever you guys are, you are, and like, if we're like, we're gonna be friends. I mean, I know you, but you guys are gonna know me, and it's just, hey, it's cool. So, if you guys comment, let me know. I like making new friends. Instead of like, if you're old and creepy, but if you're my age, and hey, let's hang out sometime. Like, if you live in San Antonio, like, I'm very friendly. I'm not like one of those, I'm gonna get you, boom, boom, rape you, boom. I don't know. But I like hanging out with people, making new friends, stuff like that. So, just thanks, I guess, for actually just watching instead of being like, oh, this bitch is annoying, blah blah. I try to keep it real, so I guess this vlog is called I'm Singing, Keeping It Real, at 5:30 in the morning. Good night, and I'll try to make more of videos. I haven't made them in like a week or so. I've been really busy followers are starting, and I'm just gigantic bills I need to pay. It's $317, so make donations. JK, I can do it myself. I'm very independent. INDEP, whatever. And I don't know, just gonna go down now. Well, good night, and I'm not trying to sleep. What are you doing? Are you eating me? I'm sorry, I can't sleep. And then you see the dog.